Flame Gang? It is Flame Slingers here, and today I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make this bad boy right here. This is a phone stand I made out of Legos today with my buddy Nick. He kind of helped out a little bit, but I made this just so I could hold my phone pretty much. But yeah, so with all that said, just wanted to show you all this, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so I got all the pieces out here. Y'all can go ahead and pause the video right here if you want to see the pieces that y'all need. I'll go ahead and give y'all a minute. Alright, so all the pieces that you need right here are right here. I'm going to go ahead and do a close-up for all the pieces that you're going to need. So to compare this, this is about, I'm probably going to say about 7 studs. This is a 7-studded axle right here, so you're gonna want to go ahead and just keep an eye out for that. You can get these to however big you want, however tall you want your quad pod to be. So it could be like this high if you want. Mine is about this high right here, like about that high on the table. But y'all can go ahead and choose whatever size y'all want. That's just me. I chose that because I don't really need my phone to be like all the way up here, and I don't really need it to be all the way down here. I wanted it to be about like right here-ish. So yeah, these are all the pieces that you guys are gonna need. These pieces are just regular. This one is three flats put together. You can get just a regular 2x2 brick. But yeah, with all that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alrighty guys, so now that we've taken the whole thing apart, now what you're able to do is get building. So let's go ahead and, uh-oh. No, that's not what's supposed to happen. Alright. Alright, so let's get you're going to go ahead and grab your 4x4 here, and you're going to put this 2x2 brick. I've got 3 flats on it right here, and you're going to go ahead and put that in the center of the flat, just like so. Alright. Next, you're going to want to get this piece right here. It looks like this. It's got this thing. Oh, good God. There. Put that right there. Then you're going to grab you're going to keep doing this, and you're going to repeat it 3 more times with the exact same pieces. And you should get something that looks like this. Next, we're going to go ahead and work on the top section of this. So we're going to go ahead and set this aside. You're going to grab your other 4x4 here. Grab your 1x4 brick and put that right here in the front of the 4x4. Then you're going to grab your 1x2 brick here and put that right behind it, 1 row back, just like so. Then you're going to grab your piece here and just stick this right on top, just like so. Perfect, just like that. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your red axles here that are about 2 studs long, as y'all can see right here, if I can get it to line up. 2 studs. And you're going to put that inside these little slots that are on the cubes here, of the bricks. And you're just going to do that until you get all of them in, just like so. You should get something that looks like this, kind of like a star looking thing or whatever, but yeah. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your brick that looks like this, or piece. It's like Technic. You can get these from Technic sets. And you put that right there, and you put all of these on the sides, just like so. Perfect. And you should get something that looks like this. It should stand on its own freely without you having to touch it, like so. Next, what you're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and make the legs. So you can go ahead and set this piece aside. You're going to grab your axle piece here, and you're going to plug it into the leftover pieces that you have here. These slanted pieces with the number 4 on them. You're going to do that a few more times, just like so. And then just keep inserting them until you finish. And you should have 4 legs that look like this. Now you're going to grab your body here, and you're going to put these on there just like that. And you're going to repeat the process 2 more times, or 3 more times, I'm sorry. Make sure that you push them in all the way so that it doesn't get crooked or anything. And then you're going to do the exact same thing last time. Boom. And you should get something that looks like this. So I finished the stand for you guys. So yes, I took it apart, put it back together. I showed y'all how to do it. It's really simple and easy, and it's really nice. It's an easy setup. It doesn't move hardly at all, and it's just good for holding your phone. Now, if you really want to get good with it, you just wrap some, I would wrap some like electrical tape around the edges here just so y'all can get like a rubbery type of look. But you know, I think it looks really good. I think y'all are going to like this design if y'all do end up making it out of Legos. I just made it out of Legos because it was the only piece or types of materials that I had at the house at the time. So, I mean, overall, I think this is a very good design. I think y'all should use it if y'all want to. I'm not saying you'll have to, but yeah. Sure, hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if y'all did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Y'all can go ahead and subscribe to me right here, and if y'all want to check out my latest video, just click right up here. And until next time, guys, I will be seeing y'all in the next video. Peace.